Good day learners! Welcome sa ating video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a regular polygon based on the measurements of sides and angles using only your ruler and your protractor. So this is a follow-up video on our previous lessons about measuring polygons. Okay, so without further ado, let us start. So our task is to draw a regular pentagon with a side of 5 cm. Okay? So, paano natin yan gagawin? First, in a paper, we need to draw a segment. Unahin muna natin yung first side ng ating polygon, which is 5 cm. Okay? So, 5 cm in your ruler. Create a line segment. Yan. Next, using your protractor, you're going to create an angle to make a regular pentagon. Pero, the question is, what will be the measurement of each angle? Okay, basing from our previous lesson on measuring polygons, we have learned there that the measurement of each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degrees. So, lahat ng angle sa loob measures 108 each. Yun ang gagawin natin dito. Bawat angle ng ating pentagon ay measuring 108 degrees. So, hanapin lang natin yung 108. Make sure na nakatapat yung end ng ating segment dito sa center ng ating protractor. And the baseline doon sa ating initial side. Make sure that we are using the right scale. We are not going to use the inner scale, but we will be using the outer scale. So, ito we just mark yung 108 degrees natin. Okay, so it's just about here. Okay, you can just use a single dot. It will do. Next, using your ruler, kukonect natin yung endpoint ng ating segment doon sa ating point. But we are not going to create a line hanggang doon sa mark natin. Instead, we will just create a 5 cm segment. Okay, kasi nga, yung ating pentagon ay 5 cm lang yung kanyang side. So, be careful, baka lumampas katulad nito. Ayan, so dapat hanggang sa 5 cm lang. Okay, that's why it would be better to use pencil para kung magkamali kayo ay pwede nyong ma-erase. Okay? Next, using your second segment, we can now create another angle para makagawa ulit ng third segment. So again, using 108 degrees as our measurement, there. Okay. Connect ulit natin. But hanggang dito lang sa 5 cm. Okay, next. Can now create the fourth segment. Okay. And then for the last segment, ito na yung mag-close ng ating figure. So we have to be careful kung tama yung mga measurement niya. So i-double check ulit natin before tayo maglagay ng line. Ayun. So it is also 108 degrees. Okay. So there you have it. That's how you create a regular pentagon. And using your ruler and protractor only. Thank you for watching.
Kung meron kang natutunan sa video na ito, please click the subscribe button to support this channel para mas matulungan ulit kita sa mga susunod mo pang math lessons. Lagi mong tatandaan, ang math ay para sa lahat. At ako si Teacher Van, nagsasabing dito sa Math Isip, lamang ang nag-iisip. God bless and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.